Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm just doing a packing video on the JuJuBe Be Sassy in the Tokipops print. So I bought this bag just because I needed something for myself. Since having my two youngest, I've been carrying around other JuJuBe bags, BFF mostly, and a Be Right Back, and more recently a light. But I needed something for myself, and I figured this would be good. Also for myself in the sense that in case I had to bring one of the girls or both girls with me for a quick trip, it would still fit. So in the front pocket, I have my keys, a pack of gum, some chapstick, a small set piece, a coin purse, and a travel pack of tissues. So it fit in there nicely. There was a little bit of a bulk, but it wasn't too bad. On the sides, there's these little felt-lined pockets. They're not too big. So this is my nail grooming kit that fit in there. And then on the other side, excuse me, is another small set piece. It fits in there. It's kind of a little bit difficult to get in and out. And maybe it's because they're felt lined, but it is a little bit tight. So on the back, I must mention my kids are 2.5 and 5 months old. So, and we packed this for a quick, we were gone probably about 2.5 hours. We went to the flea market. And there is my daughter a book in the back. So in the back here is a zippered area, and then another felt lined pocket where you could fit a phone in. And I have an iPhone 6s Plus with an Otter box, and it fit perfectly in there. So on the inside, we have the zipper opening like a classy. And I fit everything in here vertically because if I put it horizontally, then not everything would fit. So everything fits vertically very nicely. So you can have a quick peek here before I start pulling it all out. So I had a full Huggies wipes clutch, a large piece set, and it has all my diapering needs aside from my wipes. I also have a sippy cup for my 2-year-old, a formula container for my 5-month-old, and her 5-ounce bottle. I also, there's 2 mesh pockets here. I just brought a face cloth, and then there's 2 more pockets at the side here with the elastic, and then a zipper one. And then I have my Be Spendy in there. And in the zipper, I didn't put anything in there, but I could have. But that's how I packed it for just, like I said, a quick trip to the flea market. And I can't wait to pack it for myself, for just me, no kids. But my next, I'd like to try is a hobo bee for the same purposes of quick trips, but maybe with being able to add a little extra, such as another quick for a change of clothes and maybe some snacks and maybe a water bottle for myself. But otherwise, it is a great purse and something for quick trips out. Thanks for watching.